be the next session in the succession. So come on, do join me, and once you join me, please do not forget to let me know by your comments. Okay, so good to have you guys all over here. Once you are here, guys, you can let me know by your comments as well. Once you are here, you can let me know by your comments as well, guys, before we begin the session. Okay, so quick snapshot of what we have covered. Quick snapshot of what we have covered. If you have joined from today only, if you are joining from today only, we have covered the basics of trigonometry. Okay, it's too bold. Basics of trigo, we have already done it. Then we have completed. Guys. Hello Jivita, hello Ram. Then we have completed identities. We have completed identities. Then we have completed, or maybe in the process of, complementary pairs. So today, whatever the questions will come, would either be from these two or formulas, or trigonometric formulas. Okay, so I'm taking the complete topic, guys. Okay, so let's move on. Whatever the questions will come will either come from these two or formulas. So it is absolutely necessary to go through the previous topics as well. It is absolutely necessary. Okay, they are very well organized. You can watch them in the recordings. Yeah, every session is very well organized. Okay, I think we have to begin from here. Sine 21 is given as x upon y. What is sine 21? Sec 21 minus sine 69. Come on, guys, do share as well. Okay, do share as well. Hello Ram, Jivita. Sine 21 is known. What is sec 21? Yeah, these are homework questions, so we will do them quickly. Not take too much of time. Okay, sine 21. So if you draw a 21-degree triangle, sine is perpendicular over hypotenuse. So x is perpendicular, y is hypotenuse. So base is under root of y square minus x square. Now this is sec 21, and now we are using the complementary pair as well. The complementary pair of sine is cos. So sine 69 is equal to cos 21. Now what I'm doing, or what you are doing, guys, what is sec? Sec is hypotenuse upon base, y upon under root of y square minus x square, and cos is just inverse of it, under root of y square minus x square over y. Just take the LCM. Y into under root of y square minus x square. So it's y square minus x square. So once you simplify it, it is going to be x square over y under root of y square minus x square. X square over y under root of y square minus x square. Is it absolutely clear? Come on, tell me, guys. Is it absolutely clear? Come on, tell me quickly. Each and every step, whatever I have taken, y square will get cancelled out. It's ultimately going to be x square over y under root of y square minus x square. Jivita, your answer is coming C. X over y under root of y square minus x square. No, Jivita, you have done an error of under root of x square minus y square and under root of y square minus x square. A negligence error from your side. Only a small negligence error from your side. Not a big deal. Okay, let's move on. What is the answer of this? What is the answer of this? Okay. Yeah, yeah. A mixture of complementary pair, a mixture of complementary pair and identities. A mixture of complementary pair and identities. Cot square 63. Guys, cos square 55, or even you can say sin square 35. You can write it as like cos square 55 complementary pair. Now, some of you might ask me, sir, why cos square 55? Because their sec is there, so they can cancel out each other. Because sec is there, so they can cancel out each other. So I am writing this as 2 cos square 55. 2 cos square 55. 1 minus sec square theta. 1 minus sec square theta, guys. You might be aware that sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Okay. So minus tan square theta is equal to 1 minus sec square theta. Okay. So minus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So you will replace it by minus tan square 63. And this is sec square 55. Okay. Now please do take care of it. Sec square 55 will cancel out cos square 55. Gone. Sec square 55 will cancel out cos square 55. Tan square 63 will cancel out cot square 63. Tan square 63 will cancel out cot square 63. Answer is minus 2. Who have got it? Bacha? Any issues? Any issues? Come on, do tell me. Well done, Jeevita. Well done. Any issues? Come on, do tell me. So quite good questions come from trigonometry in CPO, CGL, CHSL. And it's a very scoring topic, guys. I must tell you, it's a very scoring topic. Very, very scoring topic. Like, I can guarantee you, if you can do the sessions regularly and if you follow the thought process, which I'm trying to deliver you, in CGL, if 4 questions will come, you will make 4 out of 4. In CPO, if 6 to 7 questions will come, you will make out 7 out of 7. Okay, that is the biggest advantage of this topic. Once you are good, you are absolutely good. Once you are good, you are absolutely good. A kind of the question what we have done previously. So obviously I would be doing it very fast. It's sec 13. And this can be written as cos 13. Okay. Now, if sine is a upon b, what happened? Just a moment. Back again. Okay. So see it. If sine is a upon b, means perpendicular is a, hypotenuse is b, base is under root of b square minus a square. We have to find out sec 13 minus cos 13. So sec 13 is b upon under root of b square minus a square. Cos 13 is under root of b square minus a square over b. Exactly the same like the previous one. Exactly the same like the previous one. So it is going to be b square minus a square. Or you will say, bacha, it's a square by b under root of b square minus a square. Cool? Cool. Very important questions. Very important questions. Very important questions. Let's move on further. Yeah, let's do quickly. What about this? What about this? Come on, guys, quickly do the sharings as well, so that others can also join us. It's a very important kind of sessions for us. I'm doing it, guys. I'm doing it fastly to save some time. In triangle PQR, right angled at R. So P is there, Q is there. Very good, guys. PQ positions we find out. PQ is 29, PR is 20. I must have told you the triplet. For sure. It's 20, 21, 29. It's 20, 21, 29. Okay. So angle PQR is theta. Very good. This is theta. Then what is the value of cos square theta minus sin square theta? What is the value of cos square theta minus sin square theta? Guys, what is cos theta? It's 21 by 29 ka whole square. And what is sin theta? It's 20 by 29 ka whole square. Very, very easy problem. So 21 ka square minus 20 ka square over 29 ka square. Now, 441 minus 400 is 41. Is 41 over 841. Oh my God, this was the easiest of all. Isn't it? So, a use of triplet 20, 21, 29. A use of triplet 20, 21, 29. A use of triplet 20, 21, 29. Let's move on further. I hope signs are visible clearly. Yeah, signs are visible. Most of them are plus, only this is minus. Yeah, all other are plus. Come on. Let's crack it. Sin 24 is as 1 up m upon under root of 1 plus m square. Okay. What is sec square 66 minus tan 66? It's better if angle is given in 24. Convert all of them into 24. It's better. Convert all of them into 24. Sec square 66 can be written as, what is the complementary of sec? Cosec. The complementary of sec is cosec. So it's cosec square 24. And what is the complementary of tan? Complementary of tan is cot. The point to be taken care is that the inverse as well as complementary. The inverse as well as complementary of tan is cot only in both the cases. Now, if sine is known, means perpendicular m, hypotenuse under root of 1 plus m square. Okay, so base should be 100% 1. Then only 1 square plus m square would have become under root of 1 square plus m square. The base should be 1, guys, then only it should have become under root of base square plus perpendicular square. Now I think it's gone, na? It's gone. So cosec is inverse of sine already. Cosec is inverse of sine already. Under root of 1 plus m square over m ka whole square. And cot is base upon perpendicular. What is cot? Cot is base upon perpendicular. Base is 1, perpendicular is m. So let's watch out. It's 1 plus m square over m square plus 1 by m. Now if I take the LCM, it's going to be m square in the LCM. It's going to be m square in the LCM. And there is nothing negative. So that would... I have some space problem, otherwise I would have done it completely. I have some space problem, otherwise I would have done it completely. Let's suppose I do it as well. So m square 1 plus m square over m. 1 plus m square plus m over m square. Clear? Clear, guys? Come on, do tell me. Is it perfectly clear? So are you able to do these questions in the future? They will definitely come to your examination and you have to crack them. Yeah, they will definitely come to your examinations and you have to crack them. Okay, at any cost. Whatever so happens. Yeah, whatever so happens. Okay. Next. This is, I think, almost done or done. Yeah, this is done. Now make the next heading as trigonometric formulas. Trigonometric formulas. Yeah, I will tell you some of the formulas in the next 2-3 minutes. Yeah, and some properties. I will tell you some formulas and properties in the next few minutes. Yeah. One of them is sine 2a is 2 sine a cos a. Is 2 sine a cos a. Sine 2a is 2 sine a cos a. Similarly, cos 2a is originally cos square a minus sine square a. Originally cos square a minus sine square a. Originally it is cos square a minus sine square a. If you write cos square as 1 minus sine square a, then it will become 1 minus 2 sine square a. And if you will write sine square as 1 minus cos square a, then it can also become 2 cos square a minus 1. Then it can also be written as 2 cos square a minus 1. Only by using the property of sine square plus cos square is 1. Only by using the property or the identity of sine square a is equal to cos square a. Sine square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. So you can use it in any of the form. Now comes your favorite. And that is tan 2a. Tan 2a. Which is 2 tan a. Upon 1 minus tan square a. What? 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. Tan 2a comes out as 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. Great. Now make the next heading as triangle of tan 2a. Triangle of 2a. Triangle of 2a. Triangle of 2a. So 2a. Guys, what was our tan 2a? What was our tan 2a? 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. So can I say, sir, this is my perpendicular and this is my base? 2 tan a is my perpendicular if I will draw the triangle of 2a. 2 tan A is my perpendicular, 1 minus tan square A is my base. 1 minus tan square A is my base. So 2 tan A is the perpendicular and 1 minus tan square A is the base. So 1 plus tan square A is the hypotenuse. One more, what? Like triplet for you. One more triplet for you. 2 tan A, 1 minus tan square A, and 1 plus tan square A is a triplet. Okay. One more triplet for you, that 2 tan A, 1 minus tan square A, and 1 plus tan square A is a triplet. Now, what is the value of cos 2A? What is the value of cos 2A now? So, one more formula for cos 2A is coming. One more formula for cos 2A is coming, which is based upon hypotenuse. 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. One more formula of cos 2A. Very few people know this, but you should be the one who know it. That sir, cos 2A is also 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. Similarly, sin 2A is perpendicular over hypotenuse 2 tan A upon 1 plus tan square A. You should be knowing all these points. Yeah, you should be knowing all these points about cos 2A, sin 2A, tan 2A. Yeah. So these are the triangles of tan 2A. These are the derivations from the triangles of 2A. These are the derivations from the triangle of tan 2A. Great. If you want to write it on the previous page only and take the screenshot, if you want to write it on the previous page only and take the screenshot, I can help you out. Let me try. Guys. Here you can write 2 tan A upon 1 plus tan square A. 2 tan A upon 1 plus tan square A. You can circle this. Okay. You can make one more formula over here. It's 1 minus tan square A over 1 plus tan square A. So how many formulas for cos 2A? However, 3 are interconvertible to each other, but one is a unique one. Yeah. These 3 are interconvertible to each other. But this is the unique one. Okay. So all these are cos 2A and tan 2A is this. Yeah. Tan 2A is a very decent person, only 2 tan A upon 1 minus tan square. So now you can take the screenshot of it. I'm keeping aside. Okay. Have you taken the screenshot? Yeah. You should not be like, you should not be getting confused by this perpendicular over base, na? So you can just eliminate it, yeah, while taking the screenshot. Otherwise, someone will say me, sir, what was P and what was B? What was P and what was B? Okay, are that the also part of formula? Then in that case, I would be feeling, oh my God. Okay, so it's 2 tan A upon 1 minus tan square. It's 2 tan A upon 1 minus tan square. Okay. So I have given the heading as properties as well. So I'm writing few properties as well. If A plus B plus C is 180, then tan A plus tan B plus tan C, then tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to tan A into tan B into tan C. Okay, you have to try its derivation. I can tell you, but I want you to do some work over it. I can tell you, but I want you to do some work over it. What is going to be the used? What is the hint? What is the hint, guys? The hint is tan of a plus b formula. Tan of a plus b formula, which is tan a plus tan b, which is tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay, drive it. You will gain a lot of confidence once you drive it. You will gain a lot of confidence once you drive it. So tan a plus tan b, tan a plus tan b plus tan c is equal to tan a into tan b into tan c. And what is the procedure to drive it? It's tan of a plus b formula, which is equal to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. Okay. Okay. Then Ram is writing one more relationship. That we will write it later. Yeah, that we will write it later. Okay. As of now, write this one only. Okay, great, great. Next. Yeah, I'm doing it, beta. I'm doing it. Yeah. Are you not seeing it? Are you not seeing it? I am doing it, na? I have done 5 to 6 sessions of algebra and I am doing the 4th session of trigonometry. So only like 10% might be there, which is I can taught as of now, but not taught as of now. Yeah. However, whatever is exam, whatever is up to the exam is going to be covered. Yeah. Whatever is up to the exam is going to be covered in the class only. Yeah. Now, these are very broad topics. Yeah. Like I can teach you quadratic, I can teach you maxima, minima in a lot of detail, but ultimately they are not being asked in CGL these days. I'm not they are not being asked that much in these days in CGL. Otherwise, I would have taught you. Tan A plus tan B plus tan C. Tan A plus tan B plus tan C. A plus B plus C is 180. A plus B plus C is 180. It should be equal to tan A into tan B into tan C. If A plus B plus C is 180, if A plus B plus C is 180, I love guys teaching quadratic in a very detail, teaching maxima in a maxima minima in a very detail. But what is happening, guys, nowadays? Not too tricky questions are coming out of them. So that is something what we can learn later on as well. Once we are good with all those things which are coming in the examination. That is the strategy which I am taking these days. Otherwise, those are like my very favorite points, like teaching you high level maxima minima, high level quadratic, high level, what do you say? Yeah, high level quadratic, high level maxima minima. But they are not coming that much. Tier 1 mock. Yeah, Ram, try to, I hope, Ram, but as you told me that the last CGL, 2021 CGL, you missed out because of GS and reasoning. So I would say, Ram, I know you would be able to score 50 out of 50 or like 47.5 out of 50 in the maths. But whatever the mistake you have done last year, try to improvise it and try to improve that as well. Okay. At least your target should be scoring at least 12 to 13 questions in GS. So 25 more. My qualification is math. My qualification in math. I'm an engineer. Yeah, I'm an engineer. So from a decent engineering college. I've read IIT maths as well in my preparation days. So that is how, like, I'm a good person to teach this category. Okay, that is why I am among the good persons to teach this category. Okay. However, there are very few. Yeah, there are very few. Okay. Branch was electronics. Yeah. Okay. Ram is saying yes, sir. Cos 2a, guys. Cos 2a plus cos a. Okay. What is the formula of cos 2a? What is the formula of cos 2a? You will say, sir, there are three. You will say, sir, there are three. What to use it? What to use it? Guys, plus 1 is there. Plus 1 is there. So our agenda should be to subtract it. Our agenda should be to subtract it. So think of a formula in which minus 1 comes. Yeah, Ram, yeah. Multiple times, yeah, multiple times. Think of a formula in which minus 1 comes. So I'm putting this as 2 cos square a minus 1. I am putting this as 2 cos square a minus 1. So that this minus 1 and that plus 1 will get cancelled out. So that this minus 1 and that plus 1 will get cancelled out here. Now, sin 2a, I am using 2 sin a cos a. Sin 2a is I am using 2 sin a cos a plus sin a. Plus 1 minus 1 cancelled out. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel out. So take cos a common, it will become 2 cos a plus 1. And here take sin a common. Here take sin a common. So it will become 2 cos a plus 1. Take cos a common. So it will become 2 cos a plus 1. Take sin a common. So again it will become 2 cos a plus 1. Answer is cot a. Cool. Cool, guys. Come on, tell me. So that hint part was very important. That hint part was very important. How to replace cos 2a? Replace in such a manner so that this minus 1 and plus 1 will get cancelled out. Okay. Yeah. Neeraj sir is also there. He is a senior. Okay. So 2 cos square a minus 1 and this minus 1 and plus 1 will get cancelled out and all will get sorted out Okay. Next. Oh, wow. I think we should write some more things now. However, whatever is going to be used over here is already being written by me. Whatever is going to be used over here is already being written by me. Ram, what is going to be used? Jivita, what is going to be used? Can you identify it? Can you recognize it? Can you identify and recognize it? Yeah, try to. It's guys tan of a plus b. It's tan of a plus b. Yeah, it's tan of a plus b. As I told you, tan of a plus b is tan a plus tan b, tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay, these are formulas of a plus b. I will write them. Yeah, very good, Jeevita. Okay, so tan 12 plus 35 is tan 45. This is tan 45 is equal to tan 12 plus tan 33 upon 1 minus tan 12 tan 33. Take it over here. So tan 45 is 1. Tan 45 is 1. And 1 into something is 1 only. 1 into something is 1, like 1 into something is that only. Yeah, 1 into something is that only. So 1 minus 10, 12, 10, 33 is equal to 10, 12 plus 10, 33. Okay. Now, if you take that over that side, then 10, 12 plus 10, 33 plus 10, 12, 10, 33 is equal to 1. So we cannot do it by values because neither we know the value of 12, neither we know the value of 33. So it should be clicking to our brain directly. Okay, that might be coming from some property or formula. So we go for the formula of a plus b, tan of a plus b, and directly this relation comes out. That is how the thought process should begin. Okay. Next. Oh my God. Quality. Pure quality. First we will apply tan of a plus b. A is 2a here, so it is tan 2a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan 2a into tan b. Okay, first we have applied tan of a plus b as tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. Now, tan 2a formula is also known to us. Which is 2 tan a, or even we can find out tan 2a value differently. Okay, so we know Sir, tan 2a is 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. Tan a is 1 by 3 and 1 minus 1 by 3 ka square is 1 minus 1 by 9. 2 by 3, 8 by 9. It's 2 by 3 into 8 by 9. Okay. 3 by 4. Are you also getting it 3 by 4? Are you also getting it 3 by 4? Definitely you should be. Yeah. Definitely you should be. So the value of tan 2a is coming as 3 by 4. The value of tan 2a is coming as 3 by 4 and tan b is given as 2 by 5. So now everything is crystal clear to you. Now everything is crystal clear to you. So 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a, 2 by 3, 8 by 9. You 2 by 3, 8 by 9, you simplified it and it comes out to be 3 by 4. So take the LCM 20. Take the LCM 20. So 4 5 ja 15. 4 2 ja 8. Divide by 20 minus 6. 20 minus 6 is 14 by 20. क्या हुआ बेटा छोटा क्यों आ रहा है मेरा? Why it is coming small, huh? Okay. Okay, yeah, that is the exact answer. So it's 23 by 14. It's 23 by 14. I haven't seen this option. I haven't seen this option. I was saying, oh my God, where are the denominator 115? I've only seen the top 3 options and I was saying, oh my God, where is the denominator 115? Yeah, great. So it's 23 by 14 is the exact answer. 23 by 14 is the exact answer. Clear? Absolutely clear, guys. Quality question. So use of two formulas, one of tan of a plus b upon 1 minus tan a tan b, and use of another formula as tan 2a is 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. Okay. A question from complementary. A question from complementary and identities theory, what we have already covered. Yeah. A question from complementaries and identities theories, what we have already covered. What is the complementary pair of cosec? What is the complementary pair of cosec? Now, some of you might ask me, sir, how this feeling of complementary conversion will come? How this feeling of complementary conversion will come? As we neither know the value of 38 nor know the value of 52, neither know the value of 35 nor know the value of 55. So, only one option left is like making them same. Like write their complementary pairs. So, this feeling generates from here. This feeling generates from here. So, cosec can be written as sec square 35. 7 times of sec square theta minus tan square theta. Which is the identity? Which is the identity? Sin 90 is 1, 2, minus. Tan A into tan B. Tan A into tan B if angles are complementary. Tan A into tan B if angles are complementary is equal to 1. So, angles are complementary. So, their product is going to be 1. 1 ka square is 1. 1 into this y is also hidden, which we sometimes are not able to see. This y is also hidden in between, which we sometimes not able to see. Now, sec square theta minus tan square theta is the identity. So, it's equal to 1. It's equal to 1. 7 plus 2 minus y plus y by 2. 9 is equal to y plus y by 2 is 3y by 2. 3 times y comes out to be 6. Any confusions whatsoever? Ram, I think you have not. watch the Y. You have, oh, Jeevita, you are performing brilliantly, beta. Are you a previous student of mine, or you are connected with me on the example only? You missed this Y. You missed this Y. So the performance has started coming, guys. The performance has started coming now. The performance has started coming now. Yeah. And that is, guys, this is the day for which we are working so hard. This was the day for which I was working so hard to make the performance come out of you. Next. This is doable. This is doable. Okay, Jeevita, yeah, well done, yeah. Okay. What is the inverse of sec theta minus tan theta? What is the inverse? Yeah, I was recalling it. Yeah. What is the inverse of sec theta minus tan theta? Sec theta plus tan theta. What is the inverse of sec theta minus tan theta? Sec theta plus tan theta. Class number 2 or maybe class number 3. Because they are conjugate of each other. They are inverse of each other. Minus 1 upon cos theta is sec theta. Khatam. It's gone. It's gone, guys. Whatever we have done to this question will never would be able to forgive us. He will say, the question will say, you have not done it correct, teacher. I make it by doing a lot of hard work, and you have just, what you have done this, yeah, what you have done this, it has now become nothing. So sin theta is, tan theta is sin theta over cos theta, and sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. So k comes out to be sin theta. This will never forget me. This question will never forgive me. He has tried to make it complicated, but ultimately we made it very simple. Yeah. By the use of this property. Of conjugate. This is also doable. Without pen, guys, you need to do. Without pen. The situation is hardly 5 seconds are remaining and you have to mark the answer. The situation is hardly 5 seconds are remaining. You cannot solve it. You have to mark the answer. Without pen, yeah. This is the last question of the exam and you have done 24 correct. Now this is going to be the 25th question. You have hardly 5 to 10 seconds left. You have to mark the answer. Cosec is what? Hypotenuse upon perpendicular. So in 2p, 1 plus p square, 1 minus p square, 1 plus p square is the hypotenuse. Yeah, why not, Why not? Yeah, Vramlin, why not? Yeah, definitely. We are working over this, yeah. As you can see, courses are also there. But you can see, Brahmlin, that we have done the algebra in a quite convincing manner. Now we are doing the trigonometry in a quite convincing manner. Yeah. So, hello, Batmela. Have you got this logic? What I just said in the triplet of 2p, 1 plus p square and 1 minus p square, in the triplet 2p, 1 minus p square, 1 plus p square, hypotenuse is 1 plus p square. Hypotenuse is 1 plus p square. In the cosec, hypotenuse come in the numerator. So 1 plus p square should be in the numerator. In none of the option, 1 plus p square in the numerator. Only in option number 3, it is in the numerator. Brahmalin, but yeah, you can for sure. Yeah, you should check it. Download the official Exampur app. There you can check it. Yeah, for sure. Okay. Let's move on. Okay, I think after this we will cover it in the next class. Your next class is going to start soon. So after this, take some homeworks. Yeah, take some homeworks. We will discuss them. And begin from thereafter. First question homework. All are of 3 questions. All are of same type. Asked in SSC examinations recently. 3 questions. Now, what is the benefit of giving the questions? What is the benefit of giving the homework? Guys, once you commit, so we will be like doing these questions in a fast manner. Okay. Now, I'm not giving too much of homework. Yeah. So this is how we are going to move now. I hope you might have downloaded the official Exampur app as of now. If you have not downloaded, guys, what are you being waiting for? Lot of offerings. I personally, guys, is using it. Lot of offerings. Definitely, guys, lot of offerings. Paid courses, books, quizzes, free quizzes. Yeah. Job alerts. You will never miss any job alert. Previous year PDFs. Wow. Previous year PDFs. Great. This is what are being really worried about. Live test, free courses, test series, study material, current affairs, practice questions. Lot of offering. Might be best offerings, guys, in the country. Matlab, things are being getting uploaded. Guys. Yeah. But this is what are being we have planned. So you can see the impact. What is the steps? Go to the Play Store, type the Exampur Sarkari Exampur app will come, or just open it, register with the name like and all, and just enjoy the learning So take care of yourself. See you guys. Your next session is coming. I think English session is coming. So yeah, see you in the next session. Take care of yourself.